Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your DYON Movie Smart TV. So first of all, once you perform factory reset operation, all the media and applications and settings saved on your TV, along with your accounts, will be erased, and you're gonna have to set up your TV as a new device. And when you're ready, you're gonna have to navigate to the sidebar, select Settings. In Settings, navigate down to Support section, and in Support section, select Reset to Factory Default, and then enter your parental control PIN code if prompted. If you want to, you can save the existing channels and your favorite channels on this TV before resetting your device by hitting this checkbox. And once you're ready, click Restore, and then enter the PIN code, the one that you see on the screen, and press Enter. And after that, we're gonna have to wait until the factory reset operation is finished. Usually it takes a couple of minutes for most TVs, but the time may depend on the number of applications you have installed on your TV. And as you can see, the operation is finished right now. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.